Hey y'all, so it is January 1st, 2025, 2:33 p.m. Okay, so oh my goodness, so we just chilled out last night, 8-hour hotel. It was so good, the cookies was good, all that. So we done, got some sleep or whatnot, and it's the next day. It's January 1st, so I hope everybody is being safe as much as possible. I got up this morning and I heard about the terrorist attack that happened in Louisiana. That is very, very sad. Keep the friends and families of the victims in your prayers, okay y'all? So somebody wanted to start 2025 off like this. It's sad, but all we can do is just try to stay vigilant, be aware of our surroundings as much as possible, and pray. Pray is the first thing, okay? Pray is the first thing. So yeah, so it's in the afternoon time. We got up a little later than we wanted to, hence I'm still in my robe. Well, I'm in a robe and PJs or whatnot. So yeah, so definitely got to get up and get myself together and get stuff going, okay? So that's where it's at. So like I said, I hope everybody had a safe night, and I hope you have a safe day. All right y'all, so got a little obstacle. I was already gonna do it, just had been procrastinating and whatnot, but gonna go ahead and put the rooftop on this pen. This is what I told y'all was gonna be my breeding pen, but right now it's gonna be sick bay until I can get me a sick bay together, which I wanted the pen that's over here to be sick bay, but I gotta get a roof on it. So hopefully we'll get a roof on the cage link, but this one right here is gonna be definitely for breeding, because I already got the chicken wire on the outside of it, so the little baby chicks, when they go in there, they can't get out. All right, so because they be small, but that's springtime, so we're gonna use this for sick bay. I have a chicken that is bleeding from the backside. Look like what they done pecked, and chickens was running after her when I got out there. So we got her out into one of my little brooders, and we're finna pull this tarp out, put this tarp on, and set her over here till I can get her healed. So that's why I say for now, during the winter months, this is gonna be my sick bay for now. All right y'all, so the roof is on this cage. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn that chain link, because I got another chain link, but I'm gonna turn that one into a breeding thing, and this right here is gonna be where I keep the babies, and then I have a quarter over here that'll be for a sick bay, where it'll be just maybe cages, and anyone that gets sick will go off in the cage, and then I keep this side for the babies because I have them in something. So actually it works out. So right now though, we putting diatomaceous earth down, make sure ain't no mites or nothing over here, and we're going to be putting the chicken that needs to be alone right now with some food and water. We're gonna be putting her in here. Okay y'all, so we have her in here all sealed up, got some food and water or whatnot, so she is good to go. That way she can sit in here and heal from whatever happened. It looks like maybe I don't know what she could have, I don't know, it looks like they was pecking feathers or whatnot and got her to where she was raw and bleeding, and then they just kept going at her, so she been in here running around or whatnot, but she's all secured where they can't get at her. She was so happy to be off up in there, away from them, and they over here just looking now like so they over just looking, they trying to figure out what's going on, why she over here, but yeah, I'm glad we put the top back. That's the roof that actually comes with this pen. If y'all remember when I got it. So we left that chicken wire on it good. We left that on there because you need that for extra protection. If you buy one of these pens, just buy chicken wire and put around it. Okay, so yeah, it's all set now, all set. And also, let me say this about this pen. I've had this pen for probably about 2 years now. When you go in, you do have to bend down a little bit because it's like how low it is right there. But once you get in, you can stand straight up. You can stand straight up in it. Okay, so it is tall. This one came from Academy Sports. Also, my chain link ones that I had put together came from Academy Sports too. But if y'all looking for one of these, you definitely can stand up in it. I'm 5'2". Oronde can stand up in it, and he's about 5'8". So that gives you an idea of, you know, you can stand straight up in it and maneuver with no problem. I know it's not the best, but it's one of those days, y'all. So I got some Smithfield chicken, the breast and the wing, some coleslaw, and some potato salad. And for dessert, pecan pie. Everybody else got KFC. They got KFC. The kids got KFC. So yeah, KFC don't agree with me, so I had to get Smithfields. I like KFC, but it don't like me. Hey honey buns, so we had went out and did some deliveries. Hence they had KFC and I had Smithfield's chicken. That was for dinner. Because we went on and got some before we started doing deliveries and whatnot. Right now it is 10:47 p.m. January 1st, 2025. And we just got back home. I came in and just plopped down here on the couch for a bit, just to gather my thoughts and figure out what else I got going on today. I told y'all, let me see, you would have seen the chicken. We got the other coop, which I had been saying and been telling y'all I needed to get a sick bay or whatnot and get these other kennels together, so in the springtime I can have my full running business if it's God's will. It is January, as we know, and spring will be right around the corner. Okay, you know, so I'm glad that it's done. I'm not glad that I have a chicken that is kind of down a little bit, and that prompted to move even quicker. I think she'll be fine. She is eating and all that type of stuff. But I did put some stuff on it, on her. I tried to get the no pecking spray. They was out of it, so I have to go to another Tractor Supply and get that. That way I'm gonna spray all of them down, just in case that they stop trying to pick the ones that they like to pick and then try to start on one that they haven't been. I'm just gonna spray them all down. But yeah, so that is life on the homestead. Please understand, you get chickens and stuff, you're gonna have some that may get hurt. You're gonna have some that peck. You know, they go through the pecking order and all that stuff, which is normal with chickens. Like I'm dealing with some of them comb, look like they could have got some frostbite or something, because I know they ain't been exposed to like no fowl pox or nothing like that. Or it could, no, the other ones don't have frostbite. They could have scratched they combs up when they was digging. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to kind of tell, but I can't rule out fowl pox or any of that because they're not exposed to it being covered and, you know, cause it, you know what I'm saying, covered and closed in or whatnot. So I looked at a couple of them, and it's the main ones that like to dig around that thing. And remember, they had exposed the metal part of the actual coop. And when I look really close on some of them, look like it's kind of like scratched, like whatever. So they could have damaged it like that. Or if them cold nights, they was not cold acting or anything, but they was going digging under there, and maybe they their cones was more exposed that way, because they just won't stop. Somebody says like you got some hood chickens. Yeah, they just won't stop, because I know when we go in there it will be warm in there, but they was coming to the front and just constantly digging, and then laying right there. That could have damaged their cones. I don't like it at all. I didn't have this issue out of my first flock of chickens that I had about, what, 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago, maybe about 2 years ago. The ones where I had 60, right at 60 chickens. I did not have that problem at all. So I got some stuff on them, treating them or whatnot. See if I can get them combs back together. Well, they together, but getting them looking back, you know. Not all of them is like that. That's what's weird. No other signs of any fowl pox or anything like that. Nothing with their mouths or nothing like that. So that is good. But that's just life on the homestead. But I am tired. I am one tired mama. You hear me? Be so much to do. I am tired. I was up and I feel like I've been doing so much today. Let's see. I think staying organized and stuff has been helping. But still I got so many thoughts and goals and stuff like that. So it's kind of like, okay. Make sure you stay focused. Make sure you do this. So yeah. It's a happy tired. I'm gonna say that. It's a happy tired and a blessing to be tired in a happy way. Alright, y'all, on the way coming back in, we did stop at Food Line. I didn't go in. Oronde ran in the store, but I did have him to get some of these smoothie things. This is cherry berry kale or whatnot. I just didn't feel like walking in, and they was about to close anyway soon, so it'll be quicker for him to just go in, because I would have seen something I liked it and then just been looking all around and this, that, and other. So I say, what? Oh, well, he told us, So me and the kids stopped in the car real quick while he ran in. So I had him to get this. It's a cherry berry kale. I almost forgot because I was in there laying on the couch and he was in the garage and the kids was in the back, and they just put the bags here. And I remember when I came in, I saw them. I said, oh, that's still got to get in the freezer. So, but they know they don't know when I'm gonna film it or not, so they just put stuff on the countertop. So that's like my fault right there, because they didn't know. But yeah, it's been out probably. We still been home all of about 10 minutes, so not long. It's still frozen. But this is the Wingman's cherry berry and kale. It says it's got strawberries, dark sweet cherries with blueberries and kale. So yeah, y'all know that's for my smoothies. I used to do a lot of smoothies. Getting back to that. Especially ready to use my new blender Oronde had got for me. So this he picked up, oh, you got these extra, because he said he was gonna get me something extra. This was $8. These was $4 something, and this was $12.99. Something like that. Okay, so this is the mixed fruit, strawberry, pineapple, peaches, mangoes, red seedless grapes. Ooh, that's not good. He had showed me these in the store, but he had took a picture of it earlier and said they had. Y'all know I am a SpongeBob fanatic, okay? Love SpongeBob. So they in the freezer section. I thought it was on the shelf. So these are SpongeBob SquarePants smoothie, strawberry, banana. Oh, they ain't sealed. They just like that. That's how they is in the thing. Oh, they frozen. Look. So these little smoothies. I know they don't sell for like $5, so we like them. I'm gonna get some more. It's no added sugar, dairy, and gluten-free real fruit puree. Look at this, y'all. Thank you. See, he be bringing me little stuff when he see stuff I really like, because I sure was gonna. I had forgot all about it. So I'm gonna try these and let y'all know what they be like. 4 in a pack, they on sale for $4.99 or whatnot. I don't know what this is. See, Oh, he got, I showed y'all the other day, he got another one of the Mississippi. Cause that's why you were taking so long. You were going, thank you. I appreciate you. Keep on. Oh, Duke Southern Sauce in Mississippi, come back. Mississippi come back. So we kind of stocking up. Oh, I see moonshine. What is it? This taste of inspiration barbecue sauce moonshine. Ooh, wait, what you gonna do with this? You got plans with this one? He got plans with this one, y'all. So, if I wanted to get you on camera, you got that turned up. So yeah, y'all. So that's what y'all. So I gotta put this stuff in the freezer. I'm so happy about these. I'll try these tomorrow and then let you know how they taste. So yeah, y'all. Let me get this put up in the freezer. Then I'm gonna get back on the couch and plan a little bit and just kind of rest and kind of woosah. I'm happy about this. So now I got what, 2 of these? All right, got it.